Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 15th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to write a program that's going to take temperature in degrees Celsius from the user and it's going to convert it to degree Fahrenheit. Now again, this program is really very simple. It's just going to ask the user to type in a value. You get the value, you find out the conversion formula, you multiply the value that you have with the factor that you get from the conversion formula, and you just get the output that you need. So it's a very simple program, and I'm just making it because I want you guys to have fun along in this course, and we should always have something interesting to do, and this, for me, it qualifies as interesting, right? And let's just get started. You can see that I've saved this program. It's called temperature_conversion.c. that's the name of the file. And on lines 1 and 2 I have a comment that says input temperature in degrees Celsius and convert to degree Fahrenheit. On line 3 I have my header file. On line 4 I've declared the main function. I have my curly braces. So well, let's type in our code. And since we're going to ask the user to give us input, we'll obviously have to create a variable to store the value, and it's going to be a float data type, and I'm going to call this variable temp because it's going to hold temperature, right? So I hope that makes sense. Now I'll use printf to ask the user to input the temperature in degrees Celsius. So input temperature in degree Celsius, right? I'll put a colon and then a semicolon to terminate the statement, and then I'm going to use scanf to get the input, and of course we'll have to use the %f format specifier because we're dealing with a floating point value here, and the address of the variable is and temp. We've used the address of operator there, and well, now just use the printf statement to display the output on screen, and display a message first like equivalent temperature in degree Fahrenheit is, and you'll have to use the %f format specifier again this time because we're displaying the value, the equivalent value in degree Fahrenheit, and the conversion formula here is that you have to multiply the temperature in degrees Celsius by 1.8, and then after you perform the multiplication you have to add 32 to it to get the temperature in degree Fahrenheit, right? So we'll have to multiply temp with 1.8, and then we have to add 32, and we don't have to put this thing in parentheses because we know that the addition operator anyway doesn't enjoy a greater priority than the multiplication operator. So this sub expression would be evaluated before the addition is performed anyway, so we don't have to use parentheses here. Put a semicolon to terminate this statement, and I'll click on build and run to see the output, and there you go. I'm asked to input temperature in degrees Celsius, and I'm going to put 37. I'm going to supply 37 as the value because I know that that's the normal body temperature, normal human body temperature, and I also know that the value of this temperature in degree Fahrenheit is 98.6, and that's because I was a whiz kid when I was in school. I was a genius at remembering such values. So there you go, that's it. That's the output. Equivalent temperature in degree Fahrenheit is 98.6 with followed by what, 5 zeros, and that's it. It's a very simple program, and it's not complicated at all, and it just has what, 1 2 3 4 lines of code, and it really cannot get simpler than this. And I hope you guys had fun watching this one. In the next tutorial we're going to discuss something interesting again. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.